Are you Googling uniform rental near me? Well, then this is the place to call. Now, I will say right off the bat, I am not a lawyer. I'm not an attorney. I don't have a license to practice law. But what I can tell you that I have been in the industry a long time. I've started out unloading trucks and I have managed a lot of places. I've been a user of the services. I've also been a plant manager. I've done a lot of things. And so I can help you. A typical lawyer, he's going to have a lot of information about the law, but he's not going to have specific knowledge about how uniform rental company works. If you're lucky, he might have sued somebody once or defended somebody once, and he has a tiny bit, but there's no way that can be replaced by 25 years of uniform rental experience. I know how to do uniform rental cancellation letters. Let me tell you, $125. A lawyer is not even going to pick up his finger for less than $350, which is an hour work, and it's going to take them a lot longer to write that letter than an hour, I guarantee you. I know exactly what to write. I know exactly what to put in there, plus a whole bunch of other things that are going to benefit you. They don't know how to solve your problem really quickly. They're only going to be there when things go south. But if you're looking for somebody who can be there where you can just pay me a little bit of money and ask for advice, hey, I'm thinking about doing this, what do you think? Then guess what? I'm the guy for you. I want to help you. I want to make sure you don't fall into these pitfalls that a lot of people have fallen under. And they have gotten into long-term contracts. Even worst case scenarios, they got into a long-term contract and then they didn't like them, booted them out, and signed another contract. And the way these contracts are written, you're stuck with those two contracts. But there is a way out of them if you can call me. I'm here to help. I can save you money, guarantee. My services pay for themselves, guys. I guarantee you that if my services don't pay for themselves, then I will give you your money back. Guaranteed. So anyways, call me back. You got my number, is in the content information right below. And you can also like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Again, if you're Googling uniform rental lawyer near me, this is the best place to call. I can help you. Call me. The first call is always free. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.